The coolest gadgets will always stop you in your tracks regarding the most recent technological innovations. Even though you may not need them, you find yourself desiring them all. Even yet, it's wonderful to reward yourself now and then, and the best technology may help simplify your life. Hello and welcome back to Tech Genius. In today's video, we will show you 5 coolest tech gadgets to buy right now, so keep on watching the video. Number 1. The Ring Video Doorbell. Say hello to the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. This smart doorbell gadgets let you see and speak with visitors from your phone, tablet, or computer. It has two-way audio so you can hear and communicate with the person at your door, wherever you are. This is especially convenient if you're away from home. You won't have to sit through an awkward conversation on speakerphone to be able to ask them about what they want or need during business hours. The Ring Video Doorbell provides the best flexibility and can be set up in minutes on any surface, so you won't have to stress about complicated setup procedures. You can keep going without missing a beat by charging the batteries with the cable provided. Taking a bird's eye view of motion events and your home security setup is now possible. It utilizes 3D motion detection and movable motion zones for more accurate motion alerts and tracking. In addition, the Video Doorbell Pro 2 has an exclusive feature to the Ring Protect plan called Alexa Greetings, which automatically records detailed video messages, greets visitors, and instructs package delivery personnel where to leave your packages. Number 2. Arlo Q. Arlo Q is a battery-powered indoor-outdoor security camera. It's easy to install and use, providing 720p HD video in 2 ways, wirelessly or through the included hand-wired adapter. With two-way audio, you can talk with whoever is on your phone while they're watching their footage live from their Arlo Q camera. Suppose you want even more peace of mind regarding securing your home against intruders or just someone who forgot their keys. Arlo Q also comes with night vision technology that allows it to see up to 16 feet away at night, perfect for monitoring your backyard while you're away. This gadget will provide an extra layer of protection by sending alerts when motion is detected in its vicinity via SMS text message to both parties. Number 3. Eufy Robovac 11. The high-suction self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner. The Eufy Robovac 11 is an automatic vacuum cleaner you can control via the app. The suction power is 2000 PA, that's 1/10 HP, and it can go up to 45 minutes before having to recharge its battery again. Its dustbin capacity of 0.6 liters is perfect for pet hair and other small debris on hard flooring or thin carpets. The drop sensing technology allows this robot to stop cleaning when it detects an obstacle. You don't have to worry about spilling your coffee on the floor anymore. Using this incredible gadget, you can clean your home with a button. It has a low-profile design, making it easy to clean under tables and chairs and even nooks and crannies. You don't have to worry about no light, as the high-capacity lithium-ion battery provides powerful suction strength for up to 1.5 hours. In addition, it protects itself with an anti-scratch tempered glass cover, an infrared sensor that helps it avoid obstructions, and drop sensing technology that allows it to prevent falling. Up next is the Milda door locking system. The Milda is a smart door lock that uses Bluetooth to communicate with your phone. It allows you to unlock and lock your door remotely, check the status of your entry, open or closed, and even set up notifications for when someone tries to open or close it. All this can be done through an app on your phone or tablet, giving you access to other useful functions like locking and unlocking multiple doors at once, making them easier to manage when you're all in use. The battery life lasts 6 months before needing to be replaced, which is pretty good considering how much stuff we keep inside our houses these days. Number 5. Inmo Air, the world's lightest fashionable smart AR glasses. The Inmo Air is made to help you with your day-to-day life while also allowing you to maintain your sense of style. The device has made the traditional headset look less fancy. The Inmo Air glasses are completely wireless and stand on their own. These smart glasses digital overlay data on top of the physical world for an enhanced viewing experience. It's a powerful quad-core processor and an HD 720p camera with an advanced optical waveguide display for clearer vision. The pictures are clear and nice to look at. It has a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1 and a full color gamut of 100% sRGB. The light conductivity is 83%, which improves everyday visuals. Soon Inmo Air has over 15,000 plus 5-star reviews on Amazon, which shows how much people love this gadget. With that, we come to the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can watch our upcoming videos in the future. Thanks for watching.